Hello everyone, in this video we'll be discussing about how can we insert data in the database via Eloquent. So currently we are in the home controller and inside the invoke method, right? So in here we will be using object oriented way to insert our data to database. Okay, for that we will be create an instance of our post model class. So how can we do that? Let's say I will take a variable post, then I will say new, then we will call our model post. So we are creating an instance of our post model class, and make sure your post class is imported at the top. After that we can access our all fields in our database like title, description, status in our post table from this instance, like post, then we will add our arrow operator. It will be title, then we can add a value is equals to, then you will pass your value, like let's say it will be post 4. Okay, and similar way we can access other fields also, like post, then we can just copy the description here, and then we will add value. Let's say it will be, this is a test description, semicolon, then we will add again post, and we have status again is equals to, status will be 1, we will be skipping created at and updated at, because these two fields will be filling automatically, we don't have to fill them. So I will copy publish date, and let's say it will be date ymd as a format, then post, user id, let's say 1, then category id, the category id, and at the last the view. Sorry, here we have to put semicolon, post, let's say it will be 400 views. So we access our all fields from our instance and put some values on them, right? Like title, we have add a value, in description we added a value. Similar way all the required fields are now filled with values. After everything done, we have to call a method. So for that we will say post, then we will directly call save method. This save method will save all this data in our database. This is essential. You have to call the save method for saving your data in the database. After that, if I say dd success, just for a alert that everything is going well. Now let's check our database again. In data, if I refresh, we have currently 3 posts. Now if I go to my front end in my home route and refresh, you can see it's showing me success. That's mean our code has been executed. If I go to my database manager and refresh, you can see here is our new entry, and you can see the values are similar, post 4, and the description is the same, because so basically just now we insert a value in the database. So that's how you can insert a data via Eloquent. There are also other ways to do the same stuff, we will cover them also. Most of the time we use this method instead of other methods, because this way of inserting data give you more flexibility on inserting data. So I think you understand how can we insert data with Eloquent. Just first of all you have to create an instance of your model class, then you can just access all your fields in the database from that instance. Like here I am accessing the title from a database and adding value. Similar way, all the required fields are filled with the values. Then at the end, we have to call the save method for saving all our data in the database. So that's it for this video. See you at the next one.